What's good, YouTube? Pretty King Shadow here. Shadow here. No, Pretty King Shadow here on YouTube. How's it going, buddy? I had 10 subs today, last week, on my YouTube channel. And that's good. Let's just keep it going. I just had 20 subs. 2 more subs. And a review of Ultra Rays. Um, Studio Ghibli film. I started collecting Studio Ghibli's. It was too many to see Red Turtle, but I don't know if I like it or not. This is a great film, in my opinion. I'll get like 4 out of 5 right now. Just needs to watch it again. So, beware. Um, I have 2 movies to review. That is, I can find it for you guys. I'm waiting for Pirates Caribbean trilogy. So I'll return these 2. I'll get to my sister. So let's wait. So these I'm waiting for the box set trilogy for Pirates Caribbean. Because I know the 4th was in theaters on Friday. Today was Wonder Woman. I saw their action like on DC animated film for Wonder Woman. I was gonna get it for $12, but $14. It was like weird at the moment, but and Logan still was all gone today. So anyway, I actually saw it, so it's pretty good. It's pretty sad, but I'm gonna buy it just for collecting purposes. And then we'll wait for next week. Um, in August. Power Rangers movie, baby. So be there to it'll probably be a steelbook form for that. We'll see if I know, but I'm gonna hunt down for that, and that's what I'm talking about. Peace.